In the world of chip technology, the development of silicon-based semiconductors has garnered international attention. Many international media outlets have reported on the continuously increasing advancements in silicon-based semiconductor technology, which forms the backbone of the technology industry. However, China, with its limitations in silicon-based semiconductor technology, is making strenuous efforts to find ways to produce more powerful and efficient chip technology in the future. Before we continue, please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel so you won't miss out on other interesting videos. One of the approaches they are exploring is through the development of photonic and quantum chips. However, what's intriguing is another avenue they are currently exploring, known as graphene chip technology. Chinese scientist Chen Gang, a mechanical engineering professor from MIT, has discovered a potential alternative that may become the best semiconductor material ever found, which is boron arsenide. Research has shown that boron arsenide is far superior in conducting heat and electricity compared to silicon-based semiconductors. This discovery paves the way for the development of smaller technology and faster chips. At an international graphics innovation conference in China, scientists discussed how they could mass-produce microchips using graphene, a single-layered carbon atom sheet, as a substitute for silicon. Graphene, consisting of individual layers arranged in a hexagonal carbon atom lattice, possesses extraordinary strength. Graphene is 200 times stronger than steel, and its thermal and electrical conductivity is even better than copper. This is crucial not only in the development of semiconductor chips, but also in addressing efficient heat dissipation issues in batteries and more. The Shanghai Electric Cable Institute of Technology and various other institutions plan to collaborate in launching graphene-based chips in the future. Graphene is considered ideal for chip manufacturing because it exhibits excellent electron mobility, resulting in high energy output. Compared to silicon chips, graphene chips offer 10 times the performance and lower power consumption. Furthermore, graphene is extremely lightweight, weighing less than 1 milligram per square meter. With all its potential, graphene-based chips may significantly change the landscape of the semiconductor technology industry, enabling China and the world to achieve higher performance and greater efficiency in future electronic devices. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe to this channel so you won't miss updates on military videos and other exciting technological developments.